Meanwhile, the search for Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 in the Indian Ocean has been hindered by bad weather, but another problem is hampering search efforts: the tons of trash swirling in even the most remote areas of the sea. Vaughn reports.
Going with the flow is what garbage does well in the ocean, and today there's an ever-growing amount of it all over the world, making it difficult for search teams to differentiate between possible plane debris from Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 and just plain garbage. Ocean debris, whether it's garbage we see every day like soda cans and gum wrappers, or larger things like shipwreckage, travels in currents until it disintegrates or makes its way to distant seas, or washes up on someone's beach. Scientists are concerned and say that it's a growing problem that no number of beach cleanups will ever take care of.
I've been getting offshore for the last probably 25, 30 years. When I do go out, whether it's pelagic sampling or doing my research, we have noticed that there's more debris out there. You can attribute to the increase in population.
Robert Webster of Texas A&M University in Galveston studies the movement of a seaweed called sargassum, which collects in patches and is often bundled up with debris like trash and moves by winds and currents.
Debris goes around to the Gulf Stream and back into the Atlantic Ocean, or some of it gets caught up in what we call a gyre.
Gyres are an area of heavy currents and slack winds that keep debris swirling in a giant whirlpool. What you see here was taken by California-based ocean activist Charles Moore and is just one of 5 huge garbage patches scattered around the world. This image, taken by the Tychote satellite on March 24th by the Geoinformatics and Space Technology Development Agency, shows a segment of the 300 objects floating in the Indian Ocean near the search area for the missing plane.
We have this huge debris fields out there, basically garbage dumps, which some places cover hundreds of square miles, some places even more. That's kind of new. It's sort of happened since the advent of plastics. The real problem, I think, is that when it breaks down into small enough pieces, like size of peas maybe, fish eat it, and it kills the fish, or it kills whatever is harvesting it.
Experts say cleaning it all up is impossible, but learning from our mistakes is key.
Occasionally you're going to run into, a ship that breaks up or something, or some natural disaster like a tsunami. But that, in the big picture, I think that is, 1 or 2% of the total garbage we put out there.
Vaughn, CCTV, Galveston, Texas.